So it's that time again. I'm gonna catch a flight tomorrow. I literally just done the check-in and I'm on the window seat. I'm super excited. Pro tip, but if you're kind of late in the game when it comes to your check-in, that's actually for the better, because chances are you will get a window seat, because usually the boot assigns the middle seats and the end ones before the windows, and so you just saved yourself a couple of dollars. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. We're going in Genoa tomorrow and I'll be there for 2 days by my own, and then my mom is gonna join me on Easter Day actually. Which, talking about Easter, my boyfriend got me 2 Easter eggs. He said he got this one first, but then he wasn't sure whether or not I like dark chocolate, and so he went back to the shop to get this one, which I think is so cute. Now we got 2. Anyway, I got my bag packed. It looks pretty messy. I'm not 100% happy with the things I'm carrying because I feel like I'm not carrying enough, but I'm most likely gonna go shopping in Genoa as well, so I think it's fine. I mean, it's heavy, but I've done worse. I got little meal deals from Tesco as well, so I'm sorted. So I'm gonna quickly fix my hair and then we'll go. My hair is done, I got my hoodie on. I'm just gonna pop on the jacket and then we'll head out. I'm probably gonna regret this later when I'll be super cold in Genoa, but we're going with my denim jacket, I think. Yeah, let's just do it. I can always buy something there. Genoa, here we come. Trains in 4 minutes. Actually a very nice day. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. So I had the bus just there and I missed it for 2 minutes. Direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection. Love disconnection, only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction, only you can show me now. Fucking found ya. Okay, so this is the entrance. It took me a while to get here. I kind of got lost, but we made it to the Airbnb. I mean, you're already having a sneak peek, but let me give you guys a proper room tour. So this is the entrance door. Then this is what you see when you walk in. Big comfy bed over here. Little wardrobe nook on the other side. Then the first door is the bathroom. I wish my camera had a wider lens, but this is how it looks like. There's a mirror, window over there, sink down here, down there, then the shower just over here, and that is just me in the mirror. Then, oh, what's in here? We got a couple of goodies as well. So this little one is just shampoo, and I believe the other 2 are body lotion and shower gel. I'm not sure what this guy does, but I guess I'll figure that out. I'm really loving the mirror though. That's gonna be so handy for my makeup. Oh, okay. So we also have a little babyliss with 2 attachments, one for curly, one for straight hair. So that's perfect. Let's move on to everything else. There are some vinyls on top of the bed as well in a little shelf. I'm really wondering if they have a record player. That would be super sick. The little mirror I did the first clip in is also on this side of the wall, pretty much next to the TV, and that would be the entrance door for reference. So in this corner we have a couple of cushions and a little stool. That's how this first corner looks like. Then this is the other little nook. Not gonna lie, I'm quite intrigued about these things. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. These are so cute. I wanted to open the other one as well, but there's a lock. And on that corner is the kitchen. So this is how it looks like. I love the fact there's a kettle. So the table's on this side. Then this is how the cabinets look like. Some tapestry on the side. I think it's a cute studio apartment. No way, so that's the little thing where you cook, like the stove. What the hell? Anyway, sink, little dish dryer. Got a couple of goodies on this side. Espresso, mom's gonna love that. I'll say it's a pretty equipped kitchen. Okay, so we have cutlery on the side. Oh, that's the fridge. Cool, it's pretty empty. Okay, cleaning supplies are on this side. Okay, so we got plates, cutting board, salt, sugar, oil, and vinegar. And then this side there's mugs and glasses. I still need to figure out my vlog setup, as in like where I'm gonna sit to talk with you guys, but for now, here we are. I'm actually about to leave the house to grab dinner for tonight, and then I'm probably gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow once I come back, but let's go. Okay, so I just got back from the supermarket. I wanted to do a quick haul of what I got. That's how much I ended up spending, so it's not too bad. Focaccielle, I used to love these ones. Platolina, BnB pops, mini carrots, domini, I love these ones. Little snack thingy for tomorrow. And then my favorite salamini. So that's a little haul. I think I'm gonna unpack first just so I make myself at home. Let's do it. Okay, it definitely feels so much better now. I unpacked my old bag, which is something I never do, but I'm here for a week, so I thought I might as well. So all my clothes are in this little rack over here. Definitely doesn't look like much, but this is all I've got. This one here is my little birthday dress as well. Hard to show you guys now, but you'll see it once I'm wearing it. Plugged all my cables and all my electronics are currently charging. And I've also unpacked my liquids. And so my moisturizer, hair cream, toothpaste, all that stuff is nicely set up in the bathrooms. Yeah, I feel quite good. I think I'm gonna cook myself dinner now because I'm literally starving. Let's do that.
Love this connection, love this connection, love this connection. Only you can turn me on.
This is a very healthy meal. So I'll have the first bite with you guys, and then I'm gonna enjoy my meal and watch my show. Oh my god, this is so cheesy, I love it. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. So good. I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. I think it's time for a little shower now.
Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love this connection, love this connection, love this connection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction.
Okay, so this will be my little PJ for the night. So I just took a shower and got all ready, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty much ready to go to bed as well. Plus this bed is super comfy, so I can't wait to sleep. But I think I'm gonna do a bit of computer work before, and then I'll speak with you guys in the morning. Good night. Okay, good morning. It's the following day. I'm about to go grab some breakfast because I'm literally starving, and then we're gonna go shopping. So let's go. Here. Gonna try some stuff. How gorgeous is this? Okay, hear me out. I do want a corset, but I don't think this is my cup of tea. It's very stunning, but like I'm not a fan of these shape right here. Very 2000. These on the other hand is so cute. Oh my god, I swear I'm a leather jacket snob. I love it. It's 46 euros. I might come back for it. I'm aware I don't need this because I have nowhere to go with it in the UK, but it's just very cute. Like, it's adorable. I'm so excited. I mean, the extra small one probably were to fit me better, but I think I'm gonna get this. Such a gorgeous color, perfect for spring, and like I've been saying throughout this vlog, I'm a leather jacket snob. I think this one is coming home. I got these yesterday. You guys are the first person I'm talking to this morning, so my voice is kind of fucked. It's actually the following day. I haven't vlogged much yesterday, but to be honest, I was very overwhelmed and probably on the edge of a breakdown. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna put any more stress onto myself. I mean, you guys saw me going shopping and that was great to start with. I'll show you what I got in a sec. But then after that, I wanted to go grocery shopping, and that was an whole other story. All the supermarkets were super packed because today is actually Easter, so happy Easter. But yeah, going grocery shopping yesterday, it was such a nightmare. I didn't really have a proper plan of what I was gonna get as well, and so I literally entered every single grocery shop and like have a browse, and I felt very frustrated because I couldn't find anything I liked. Long story short, I ended up making a panini for dinner, which was pretty good.
Hello guys, I'm with the chatting with my boyfriend. And oh my god, I just did an amazing panino.
I hear you. Saluti.
Ciao, ciao a tutti, ciao a tutti. Ciao.
And then pretty much spend the night by watching my show and FaceTiming my boyfriend. My mom just texted me, she just landed, so I'll give you guys a quick little haul and then we're gonna go get her. So I went to Stradivarius to get a specific leather jacket. I'm totally gonna wear this today. And I wanted to get this leather jacket for quite a while now, so it's not very an impulsive decision. And also decided to get it here because it would be slightly cheaper. Either spend £30 or 30 euros, and you know, if I spend 30 euros but I pay with pound, that's gonna be significantly cheaper, so that's what I did. And then next thing I got is this little belt. I'll be wearing this today as well, but this is how it looks like. It was meant to be $9.99, but I paid $7.99 for it. And yeah, that's my little haul. So I got some lipstick on. I still have no idea where my mom is. I tried to text her, but she hasn't replied yet, but I think I'm gonna head out. Let's go. Do you see my mom? Ma se ne sono vista!
Guarda che ti ho fatto. Ho portato uova. Guarda che belli sono.
Quella ha perso il coso.
Non ho perso, si è sciolto.
Grazie.
Prego. Ah, mi hai portato biscotti miei. Oh.
Io doi tu.
Che vuoi? Sai che si da sopra? Sì? Mi sto cambiato. Avrà cambiato.
No, si è rotto sempre il mio. Vai.
Cristo salviato, ti avrà cambiato.
Va a bagno.
Questo è quello forte.
myself out of